Grind settings. Action. Oh.
So we've teared out the portafilter, and we've got
Wait, did we?
2 point.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. You're good.
Start over.
Okay. It's the lighting is. Okay. There we go. Yep.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
No.
Action.
Now we've got-
Action.
So we've teared out the portafilter. It's at 0. We've got 2.95 seconds setting on this grinder, and we're shooting for 18 grams.
What a lovely sound.
So quiet, precise, and quick. So 18.8. So we've got too much coffee. One, we could either reduce the amount of time, but thinking about the last shot that we have, maybe it was too fast. So let's go ahead and make the grind setting finer. So we're gonna unlock the bolt, and we're gonna make it less. So we're gonna go down to 6, tighten that up. So this
Yep.
arrow or this triangle here pointing at the 6 up there.